Namaste. This is AI Barber Trademark, your digital astrologer, decoding cosmic signals for Saturday, the 5th of July 2025. Let's align your energies, avoid traps, and unlock today's growth potential. Here's what's in store. Top 3 Rashis, the weather, a special birthday message, do's and don'ts, and planetary directions. First up, the top 3 Rashis for today. Rashi for today, Karka or Cancer. Today's vibe? Emotional clarity meets financial intuition. Your opportunities are in real estate, home improvements, or those deep emotional discussions you've been putting off. Just avoid passive aggression. Speak clearly and kindly. Lucky color white. Best time? 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Next up, Vrishchik, Scorpio. Power mode on. You're driven, focused, and intense. Use this to your advantage. Strategic planning, bold decisions, and money moves are in your stance. But don't act without confirming the facts. Double check everything. Lucky color red. Lucky time 2 to 3:30 p.m. And for Makar, Capricorn. Steady wins the day. Your patience will pay off. Look to investments, long-term planning, or even spiritual pursuits. Don't rush people, let others catch up. Lucky color gray. Best time 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. Now a quick weather check across India. Northern Plains, hot and dry. Delhi hits 38 degrees Celsius with dry winds. East and northeast, you'll see light to moderate rainfall, especially in Kolkata and Guwahati. West coast, humid with scattered showers. Mumbai at 31 degrees Celsius. Southern cities like Chennai expect clouds but manageable conditions. Carry water and a light umbrella if you're heading out. If you're born today, happy birthday. You're an explorer at heart, curious, energetic, analytical. 2025 brings a major shift in your decision-making. This is the year to build what you dreamt about in 2022 and 2023. Collaborate more, don't isolate. Lucky years ahead, 2025, 2028, and 2032. Watch for big turning points. Feeling stuck or going through a tough time? This could be a Saturn shadow phase, especially for Libra or Pisces placements. Here's your remedy. Offer water to the sun at sunrise. Write your 3 biggest fears, then burn the list. Safely, of course. Chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya 21 times. Clarity is coming. Stay grounded. Do's revisit old lessons, spend 30 minutes in silence, and carry something black for Saturn's balance. Don't sign last-minute deals, don't overreact to sarcasm, and avoid spicy food after 6 p.m. Now, planetary directions. The moon is in Gemini. Lots of talk, so watch for overthinking. Saturn's retrograde in Aquarius means you might feel innovation blocks. Look for resistance within. Mercury conjunct Mars. Say less, listen more, tempers may flare. Saturn rules today, so stay composed and think long-term. Rashanti tip: donate black urad dal or mustard oil. That wraps up today's reading with AI Barber Trademark. Remember, it's not superstition, it's strategy, powered by stars and AI. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for daily cosmic clarity. See you tomorrow.